Hello, Terry here. I'm kind of feeling under the weather, but I thought I could get this done. But I might have to drink of water every now and then. Right now I've got a picture of my grandson. He's the only boy in our family. Oh, we do have a foster boy, so maybe we'll keep him. But this is Aiden. He's one of the twins. And they were at a splash pad, and I just love the look on his face. He just looks like he owns the day. And so that's what I'm gonna call it. I own this. So I'm gonna have a series where I use sketches. And this one, I kind of started out with a sketch and it kind of went awry, but it's kind of what I was looking for. Let me pull it up here. This one, actually they even have the stripe here, and then some decoration here, or another, just like a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch of paper, and then a big solid. And I'm gonna put my picture here, except for mine is gonna be flipped because he's kind of facing more towards the left. But that's my plan. And so I am going to have him, I've cut this paper. Oh yeah, let me tell you what the papers are. This is Asuka, and it's weathered wood and crystals. And this is the second time I've used this. I bought it for the wood, but again, I've used it for the crystals. This is the second time I've used it. I really like how it looks like beads of water over here. And I thought it just kind of looked like water, even though it is like a realistic crystal. And I've cut off, I think, 3 inches. And let me grab my ruler here. I thought I need to have that information. Okay, so I've cut off 2 5/8 of an inch. And then I have this gray paper. It's just from Hobby Lobby, just cardstock. And so I'm just gonna line that up, have that as kind of a line. And I brought that in because I wanted to bring this in. And I thought about cutting a circle, but I just like the way that this looked instead, and so I thought I'm just gonna go with that. And then oh, and my other paper, sorry, my brain's not working properly today. This is Summer Dreams by Echo Park, and this paper is Sweet as Summer. So I'm gonna put this here, and this is one of those stickers that I've had for years and years, like 20 some years probably. And to bring in this circle, I'm gonna use this bubble up here. And then I also have these like splashes. So I'm gonna use those, and I'll probably put a couple on one side. Oh, maybe move this over here a little bit more. And then I think I'll use 3 over here, so we have an odd amount of them around the picture. And I have this, let's see, I'm gonna me bring in the title now, and it says I own this, because that's what I think every time I see his face. It's like, and he's probably two. I mean, it's just hilarious. Let me kind of pull you in just a little bit closer. And so I'm gonna have another couple splashes, well, 3 splashes right here by the title. And then I found these. One says cold and the other says hot. I thought, when am I going to use them? They have to turn on the water. I thought this would be cute, and it kind of again pulls in the gray. So I'm going to put hot down here and cold at the end of the title. So right now I've kind of got a diagonal thing going on. But then I'm going to bring in this dark gray, or actually it might be navy. The whole time I've been looking at it, I think it's gray. This arrow. And to bring in that color again. And I'm just going to put this arrow here. Kind of right there by the bubble. And then I have this Flair that says water me, because I thought that would be so appropriate for it. So I'm gonna stick, I think I'll probably stick that over here. Oh, can't hold things still today either. I don't know what the deal is. I kind of felt all achy yesterday. Kind of feels like the flu. I was pretty tired today. It's taken me so long to get to this. And then I have this Puffy sticker that says, you probably still can't see that no matter how close I get, but it says right here, right now. And I'm gonna put that either just below the arrow, or I might even stick it up on top. I'm not sure. And then I have this red arrow, and I'm gonna stick that up here on this other arrow, just to bring in a little bit of color. And then I've got this red heart, and it looks like it has little black stitches in it. And I'm gonna stick that right on top of this raindrops here. And then I have one more, I have a red dot to bring in one more piece of red, and I'm gonna put it right on top of this hot. Whoa, it's trying to get away. Because you know, lots of times there's like a color on them. And then I have this little gold star, or kind of a mustard color, just like the right here, right now. So I'm gonna stick that down here to bring in some of that yellow down here. And then I need another piece of yellow. I've been using Vicki Boutin's Puffy stickers. I've also used some from nope, I didn't use any from there. Thought I did. And then from Heidi Swapp Journal Studio. And so I'm gonna use the Make Today Count, and I'm gonna stick this, I think I'll put it right over here by the cold, overlapping the cold a little bit. I did make these other Flair for it. I have a Flair shop. It's called Flair for embellishments. And if there's anything that you see that I use that, and if I don't have it in the store yet, just let me know. So I won't be using another Flair just because the ones I have are like water drops, and I just like the way that these water drops look better. So that's what I was gonna use for that. So that's how it's gonna look. And I will get everything put down, and then I will do some close-ups, and I will be continuing using a sketch, and hopefully I can stick to it a little closer. But I thought this is pretty good. It's just flipped around, and then I only had one picture instead of two, I think, that is in the, whoops, is in the thing. Oh no, they only had one too. But so it kind of looks like it. They have a bigger title, but I used my title over on this one side. So I'll be right back with the stills. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe.